Why do Chinese people crave watermelon seeds? Boil and drink watermelon seeds for 7 days to see the effects on your body. Watch till the end for an amazing surprise. If you're still here, leave a watermelon emoji in the comments. That's how I'll know you're watching today's video. A doctor taught me this, and you'll be glad to know it too. Watermelon is one of the world's most refreshing and delicious fruits. Sadly, people often toss the seeds not knowing their value. Watermelon seeds have many medicinal properties. They're rich in B vitamins like niacin and thiamine. They also contain omega-3, protein, and minerals like manganese, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, copper, and iron. We should all take advantage of these benefits. Seed tea can dilate blood vessels, combat high blood pressure, boost libido, fight arthritis, and treat kidney and urinary issues. The tea is very simple to make. I'll share an amazing recipe using watermelon seeds to boost your health. Fresh watermelon seed tea has incredible effects on our body. It eliminates kidney stones and sand. Do you know anyone with this problem? Now let's look at a watermelon infusion to cleanse the kidneys. You'll need 2 tablespoons of fresh watermelon seeds and a quart of water. First, boil the water and crush the watermelon seeds. This releases oil into the water. Just add the crushed seeds to the hot water and boil for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it sit for an hour before drinking. Store it in a glass bottle in the fridge and drink at room temperature. 1 glass a day is enough for all these benefits. It's important not to add sugar, right? This often discarded seed can actually help us a lot. It protects the heart and maintains blood pressure. The seeds are great for preventing heart disease. But doctor, how do we take this watermelon seed infusion? Drink this watermelon seed infusion for 7 days. You can have it either at night or during the day. This infusion provides all the benefits mentioned, like for hypertension. These tiny foods also reduce bloating by eliminating excess water. It also regulates blood pressure and prevents diseases due to its arginine. Watermelon seeds also help the body absorb calcium from food. Did you know about these watermelon seed benefits? If this advice helped you, it might help your friends and family too. I'll be here. Take care.